Many investors are watching and focusing on the crypto and Web3 space, looking for the next hot trend that will kickstart the next wave of hype that will send us into an exponential bull market. It is a known fact that anytime there's a crypto bull run, there's always new technology innovations that come into the scene that captures a lot of attention. For example, in the last bull market, we saw the likes of Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon Matic, and Solana building a strong ecosystem, onboarding new amazing projects like PancakeSwap, Steppen, etc. Despite being in the bear market, developers in the crypto space are still building and developing blockchains and apps with real-world use cases. Another promising blockchain built on the Move programming language variant is set to launch its mainnet and token just like Aptos very soon. I promise to share my thoughts on SUI blockchain. So what is SUI? SUI is the first permissionless layer 1 blockchain completely designed from the ground up. They are a decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain with horizontally scalable throughput and storage. Think of it like the difference between how a CPU and a GPU operates. SUI is looking to become the GPU of blockchain technology. So who is creating this? Ex-members of the Meta team came together to form Mysten Labs, the company behind SUI. They're also building Move, which is an open source smart contract programming language. However, SUI is not a derivative or an add-on of the Deem network. Instead, it is real new advancements in blockchain technology that is designed to allow creators and developers to build experiences for Web3 users. What are SUI's main features and what are they doing different from other blockchains? Number one feature is SUI's ability to scale horizontally without any upper bounds. This enables them to meet application demands while maintaining extremely low operating costs, making transaction fees low to the point of almost nothing. Secondly, the design of SUI is groundbreaking in that it eliminates a critical bottleneck in existing blockchains. In traditional blockchains, independent transactions are pushed into sequential blocks, which creates wasteful computational power. SUI's innovation is that they will organize data into independent objects, meaning that transactions can be executed in parallel. Another amazing feature to also note is that the network is capable of scaling throughput horizontally. It enables parallel agreement on independent transactions. They achieve this through Byzantine consistent broadcast, which basically eliminates the overhead of the global consensus network that we are using today, for example, for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Now this is groundbreaking because all of this is being added without sacrificing safety, which is one of the most important parts here of blockchain. SUI's unique features mean that there will be unmatched scalability and instant settlements of transactions. The platform can scale horizontally to meet the increasing demand of applications, and SUI's authorities can add workers to increase processing power in order to meet the growing network capacity. The result of this would be lower gas fees even when network traffic is high, and thus a better user experience for Web3 applications that is being built on SUI. Now, who are the investors of SUI? Just like Aptos, SUI has so far raised $330 million in Series A and B funding. These funding rounds were led by A16Z, Redpoint, Lightspeed, Coinbase Ventures, Electric Capital, Samsung Next, Slow Ventures, Standard Crypto, Binance Lab, among others. I wanted to mention as many of them as possible without going too crazy, because it's really good to know who are investing in these projects. Now onto the tokenomics of SUI. The SUI token is the native asset of the SUI blockchain, with a total supply capped at 10 billion. A portion of the SUI's total supply will be released at the mainnet launch of the platform, and the remaining of the tokens will be vested over the coming years or distributed as future staking rewards. The SUI token will have four main purposes: staking, gas fees, as an underlying asset of the economy, and lastly, for governance. There are rumors and reports that there would be a SUI token pre-sale, which retail investors like you and me would be able to participate in. This would be great because this would give us early access to the token at a price closer to that of the seed round investors. Also, there are rumors of a possible airdrop on their Discord for being early part of the community. That sums it up for SUI. Thank you all for watching, subscribing so you don't miss future crypto projects that I will cover. Until next time.